Good evening. I like Tiverton Camcorder Club because of the camaraderie here.
Because I meet people who know more than I do.
Because it's close to my home.
Because it's a small, friendly club.
I come to Tiverton Camcorder Club for the biscuits.
Because of the friendly welcome one gets when one comes to our club.
Because they're a friendly lot.
An evening out with friends watching homemade films.
It brings me into contact with talented and well-motivated people.
I love going for a drive at night.
For me, it's wonderful once a month to be in the company of people who've got enough money to be able to buy gadgets.
I've had to work hard and I've really enjoyed it.
Because I like being chairman. Because I like being chairman. Because I like being chairman.